Guys, I'm Jay from Make Money with Video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. Now, this is my channel where I show you lots of different ways to make money with using video, whether it's on YouTube, Fiverr, TikTok, Facebook, you name it, I'm going to show you. But let's get into today's video. And over on TikTok, yeah, there's silly videos, there's cute videos, there's funny videos, etc. But you can actually make some good money on this platform. Good money indeed. It's using a combination of a couple of things. So you're probably thinking, how does this work? First, you need to sign up for TikTok. It's completely free. And second, you need to monetize it. Easiest and the bestest way to monetize it is through affiliate marketing. But don't be scared, stay till the end and I will show you a good way. Now, today we're going to use ClickBank. ClickBank is free to sign up and it has so many different affiliate offers that you can promote, whether you're into woodworking, that. Now, I've clicked on Marketplace, yeah? You come to the Marketplace once you've signed up, and as you look, you've got lots of different categories you can use. If you click on each one, it opens up different ones. So if you're into arts and magic and photography, etc., come to here. Cooking, computers, you name it, guys. 1 minute, guys. Sorry, you logged me back out. Yeah, so back on the Marketplace, I'm just going to ignore that. Yeah, so you click the Marketplace, you come here, and what we're going to do today, guys, is health and fitness is a very popular niche. Yeah, if you don't want it, you can just click on the actual thing and it'll bring up all the different products. Now, for instance, this one here, this is a very popular one, and then it says the average conversion is $136. Yeah, the gravity is 493. They say the higher this number is, the better. So we'll just use this one, guys. So if you come here to the affiliate page, and you can find out lots of different details about it, and you can find out how much you're going to make with it. For instance, yeah, get your ID, tells you about promoting it. You can get email swipes where you can send to people on your email. You can do Facebook resources, you name it, guys. All right, so let's go. Look, you're converting the email swipes, your landing page options, Facebook and resources, commission details. So what I'm going to show you now, and if you click on the actual product, it's going to show you a video about it. You can find out like the prices, but you don't need to. This is what you're going to send people like towards, and they can read all about it, and they get some frequently asked questions and that. Yeah. So anyway, I'll just ignore that, guys. We're going to use a program called Vidnami. But before I do that, let's just go and have a look on TikTok, and we'll type in, I don't know, flat belly, yeah, because that's product there. Let's come off that. Yeah, it's on about flat belly. So we've come over to here, we'll type in flat belly. We'll see if anyone is promoting this. Oh, straight away, look, flat belly tonic. If we click on that, you see this link here? They're linking out to this product here. Now, these have only made 4 videos. If you can make better videos than this, yeah, and I'll show you how. Now, they've got 459 people following them. Oh, no, they've got 252 people, sorry, following them, yeah? If we click on that, guarantee you it'll take us to this product, yeah? We'll click on it anyway. It'll open up anyway. And look, guys, the exact same page. So I'm just going to come off that, back to TikTok. And you can go through a lot of these, guys. You don't have to just do the flat belly fix. We can do woodworking. Spell it right here. Well, there's loads, isn't there, guys? I don't know. Let's just Click on one. Start with the top one, yeah? Now this guy's not actually got anyone, so wasn't a very good example. We'll try that. So he's got videos coming up, yeah? We'll just try that, see if it takes us anywhere. It's saying open up anywhere. That's right, it's running a bit slow, guys. Might be all the tabs I've got open. Oh, look, guys, yeah, excellent. Ted's Woodworking, guys, yeah? So if we go back over to ClickBank, where I've just showed you, right? And if we type in woodworking, yeah? I'm going to show you that it'll be on here. I'm sure it will be. Look, Ted's Woodworking. So if we click on that, I'm pretty sure it's going to take us to the same page. That's, yeah, there you go, guys. Just want to show you. It's the same page. Yeah. So if we go back to, I don't know where I'm like, TikTok, yeah. If we go back here, and you look, you just got woodworking things, yeah. Now you can make any sort of video, but if you come here, we're going to use the let's get off this TED woodworking. Let me close some of these. We're going to use this one, this flat belly, what we first looked at, yeah. And all you need to do, guys, over on this Vidnami, right? If you look, they've got all these different formats. You can do them on YouTube. You can make them on like Facebook, and then they've got this vertical one, which is Instagram. Well, you can use it on Instagram, I suppose. But look, you've got all these different templates you can use, right? We'll just say, for instance, we'll just click this one, and it gives you a bit of a show. You can use any you want, guys. Now, all you do, it says write or paste your video here. Then, it's asking different questions. So all you can do, like, is it safe? So you could put that, you could copy and paste some of this, yeah? And then this could be like your first video, yeah? Then you could do that as your second video. That's as your third. Then you've got all these questions to make, lots of different videos, lots of different questions. And then what's so good about this in video, guys, I'll show you. You don't have to do much work. So all I recommend you doing is just like breaking it up a little bit so it's not all like just create scenes, yeah? See if it works. Might need to break it up, so we'll just give it a space because it likes spaces, guys, yeah? So we'll just break it up. You can reword this if you want, but now look, it's already created a video for you. Now you can change any of these that you want. It's saying Belly Tonic. He's got a McDonald's by the looks of it, so we won't want that. So you'll choose it to I don't know, flat belly. It finds anything for us, yeah. So yeah, you could scroll down here, guys, and you can click on any of these you want. Just click on the first one, and automatically there you go. Yeah, and then you go down to your next page, or your next bit of slide, and it's talking about, and you could change different videos, show different flat bellies if you want. You can keep, and then you choose what you want, guys. What video, whatever you think matches it with the word in that. If you don't want that, if you want to type in your headline, you can do. You like just if you're happy with that, you keep it. If you want to change that, you can change your video. If you want to upload your own media, you can. You can change the layout. You can change the style. You can change the color. If you don't want up these, do different like your bold. You can make things bold. Yeah, you can underline it, make it italic, underline it. You can hide the text if you don't want it on for that video. Yeah, and then what you do, you can either add a voice. You can have no voice track, music only. You can add auto voice, which is like your we'll just play one. Yeah, this is Harry from the United Kingdom, I think. Yeah, this is a good guy.
Hi, my name is Harry, and I would love to.
Yeah, you can choose. You've got like USA, United Kingdom, Australia. If you don't want to use one of them, you don't have to. You can record your own voice. You can just upload your own. You don't have to have any. So we'll just have music only. So preview it. Oh, here we go, guys. Now you can choose different music here. You just have to scroll over it, and it plays different ones. You can choose different moods, or you don't have to have any music, guys. Yeah, if you don't want any music, just click none, because you want to put your own TikTok music on it, ain't you, guys? I know what you're doing. Yeah, if you like it, looks good, continue, and there you go, guys. That's how easy it is. But guys, the good thing about it is you can get 25% off it, yeah, for lifetime, and it's just $35 a month. But before you run off, right? Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get 25% off Vietnamese for life, yeah? So you're saving $144 a year, right? And just think how many different videos you can make. You don't have to have one TikTok channel. You can have lots and lots of different ones, as well as different, like I said, you've got different formats. So you can make like YouTube channels, you can make Facebook like videos and stuff like that. So if you check on my channel as well, I've also got videos of showing you how to make Vietnamese videos for YouTube and what channels are making good money with it. But also you get this Storyblocks video clip, yeah. So you get unlimited access to over 790,000 premium video clips included for free with your Vietnamese account. That's saving $468 a year, guys. If you go over to Storyblocks and check out the different packages, you'll see how expensive it can be. But you get this with this offer, as well as Storyblocks music tracks, which is saving $180 a year. You get access to over 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. But you don't really need these music tracks, do you? Because you're going to get the music off TikTok. But this will come in handy for YouTube, yeah, and everything else. Plus, guys, it's not over there. It's not over yet, sorry. You get this ultimate video traffic blueprint pack. You're saving $49, yeah. These templates are now responsible for over 7 billion video views, yeah? Then you get this 21 ways to find clients if you want to go down the client route, because you can sell these videos to clients. Then 5-minute Facebook ads, so you can make Facebook ads to your phone, yeah? And then an ultimate YouTube cheat sheet. So you're saving an incredible 1,365 of value, yeah, for just $35, guys. Now, I don't know about you, but that is a good offer, guys. And I use it myself. You can check out my channel. I show different ways how to make money. But if you go over to my Movies, Games, Beyond channel, you can also see that I use it there. And I sell these to clients, which you can. And just go back to Vietnamese and show you. Yes. Yeah. So if you go back to go back to Vietnam and go back and create video. If you look here, you can create all these videos for these different formats. You can, oh sorry there, wrong screen. Right, so back on Vietnam, yeah. If you look, you can make all these different types of videos, different formats, yeah. You've got your presenter videos, which you can make if you want to like go down the clients and that. You can make ad videos for like your Facebook and that. You can make sales videos. Make training course videos, property videos. There's so much you can do, guys. And like I said, you're going to be saving 25% off for life. Yeah, that's just $35 a month. Which if you're in the UK, it's 20 odd quid, isn't it? 20 odd pound. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, because it helps the channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Helps me grow. And let us know what you thought about it, guys. Are you interested in more videos for TikTok, or are you interested in videos for YouTube, Fiverr, even Etsy? Have you got video for Etsy? So let us know, guys, and hope you liked today's video. Until next time, I'm Jay, and this channel is Make Money with Video, helping you to build an empire. Goodbye, guys.